Hello, my mother was asking me about a math problem, the number of ways to make change from a dollar bill. And just setting the record straight right now, I'm allowing dollar coin to be change and 50-cent coin to be change. I had learned how to do some stuff like this back in combinatorics, back in the 80s, I imagine it was. And I was able to write what's called a generator function. However, solving the generator function was a lot of work. And so I just decided I'd do this programmatically using Python. Pretty much my favorite programming language. I'm using recursion, which is to say that I use inside of my function, which counts the number of combinations, I call the function count combinations. So the function calls itself. So what I do is I give it an amount to figure out how many combinations there are for, like 100 in this case. And I also give it a max coin. And the max coin idea is to make sure we're doing combinations and not permutations. It forces an ordering on the sequencing of the algorithm, which I'm not going to try to prove. It does work, at least in this case. So inside of count combinations, I'm merely going to loop through all the possible coins that are legal for the amount given. For 100, it's all the coins, but say 50 was passed in, it's 50 and less. It loops through all the coins and says how many ways are there of making change from the amount minus that coin. So say if the amount is 100 and I take a 50-cent coin, I need to know how many ways there are making change from 50 cents. And I just sum all those up in a loop and I return count. If the coin is exactly equal to the amount, then I just return the value 1. And that solves sort of the terminal case of this recursion. And if otherwise, I basically just call count combinations again with A minus C, and C being the max coin. Thus, as I say, enforcing ordering. I run it. It gives back 293. 293 is the answer according to various web sources. I have no reason to disagree with that. Anyway, this is just one way to solve the problem. Hope you got something out of the video. Thank you.